To search the Bill.com API webhook, start by understanding what a webhook is. A webhook is a callback function that is triggered by a specific event. In this case, events happening within your Bill.com account. First, you need to set up a webhook in your Bill.com account. This involves going to the developer portal, creating an application, and setting up an endpoint URL that the webhook will send event notifications to. Once the webhook is set up, you can start searching for specific events. The Bill.com API provides several endpoints to retrieve events, including the getEvents endpoint. This endpoint returns a list of events that have occurred within your account, such as invoice created, payment made, or bill paid. To search the Bill.com API webhook, you need to make a GET request to the getEvents endpoint. You can filter the results by specifying query parameters such as event type, date range, and entity ID. For example, you can search for all invoice-created events that occurred in the last 30 days. When making the GET request, you need to include your API key and authentication credentials in the request headers. You can also specify the format of the response, such as JSON or XML. Best practices for searching the Bill.com API webhook include handling pagination, error handling, and caching. Since the API returns a limited number of results per page, you need to handle pagination to retrieve all the results. You should also implement error handling to handle any errors that may occur during the request. Additionally, caching can help improve performance by reducing the number of requests made to the API. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively search the Bill.com API webhook and retrieve the events you need to integrate with your application. This allows you to automate tasks, synchronize data, and build custom workflows using the Bill.com API.